Hello to all my family here. Again, kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid? Dahil kayo ay ang aking pamilya dito sa aking The Star to Kintaro. Welcome! Welcome kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star to Kintaro. And maraming salamat po for keep tuning in to any of my tarot reading videos. So, ang reading natin ngayon is about business. Kung ikaw itong negosyante, then there's something you need to hear. If you want a business, kung wala ka pang business, maybe this is meant for you na marinig. Maybe the universe is telling me to tell you na it's time to build your business. It's time to think about more business, or let's talk about business. Okay? Wow, business. Negosyante ngayon ha. Alright. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Kamusta ang ating star viewers? Whoever watched this reading, let's get their current energy. All right, Queen of Cups. You guys are beautiful inside and out, loving, nurturing. It's like the Empress energy, and matulungin, mahilig sa mga bata, mahilig sa mag-travel. Okay, I'm getting like marami kang admirer. Your children loves you kung may mga anak ka, or kung single ka naman, mahilig ka sa mga bata. Okay. Tell me more about pile number. Ano ba yan, pile number? Collective reading. Okay. Whoever watched this reading, kamusta sila, Spirit Guide Angels? Okay. Three of Swords. Tell me more about the Three of Swords about. What is this? Okay. Alright. Maybe you guys are feeling betrayed. Alright. Okay. I'm getting like someone is about to give up. Gusto mong give up. Pagod ka na emotionally, parang hindi mo na kaya, or baka hindi mo na makakayanan. Again, you are trying your best na makayanan mo ito. This could be related sa business, no? Na siguro nakailang business ka na, at na-broken ka na, or biglang, you know what I mean, bumagsak. Siguro ilang business na ang bumagsak sa mga kamay mo. At parang gusto mo nang give up, no? Ayaw mo na, parang ayaw mo na, nawalan ka na ng pag-asa, yung iba sa inyo dito, and lumalaban ka rin naman. You are still fighting about this situation. If this about related sa business, no? Kaya nga talagang na-drone ka dito, kaya nga pinapanood mo ito, is to get your, what about the business? Because we are talking about business, your financial. Yeah. And again, guys, if this is about also, in general, lumalaban ka sa buhay, you have been feeling betrayed, you're trying your best to fight this battle alone, yeah, lumalaban ka sa buhay ng mag-isa, you are trying your best na to fulfill itong mga pinaplano mo sa buhay, itong mga pagta-travel, siguro ikaw nasa trabaho na nag-abroad, you might be in a relationship or third-party situation, because I'm getting like a distance. There's like a distance between you and the other people. Third-party situation, relationship, or family, or a broken family. Or, iba naman sa inyo dito, maybe you are tired to stick with this, pagod ka na to stick with this environment. Sa trabaho, or sa pamilya, or karelasyon, or sa friendship, you are tired, pagod ka na, and gusto mo nang give up, lumalaban ka naman na, and you are trying your best to stand still, you are trying your best to have this hope, no, na makapag-move on na, to stay strong. Again, ito you are showing, pinapakita mo sa kanila na wala itong na-experience ninyo sa na-experience ko. Because I have been through a lot. And you are here, sitting alone on your throne. You are still holding your dreams, your heart, your desires. Wow. And you have this, meron kayo dito na angel, like a mermaid, or a baby angel. Yeah. Or maybe you are a Pisces. Okay. Or maybe you are a water sign, or a fire sign, and an air sign. Okay. Yeah. But then again, guys, you guys are strong. Whoever you are, you did well. Hindi madali ang lahat ng mga naranasan mo, ang iyong mga pagsubok. You are stronger than what you think. Yeah, do not let these people, wag niyong hayaan itong mga tao na to push you down, itong mga tao na gusto kang mapahamak, o itong mga tao na naiinggit. Marami kasi naiinggit din eh, may mga inggit sa looks mo, sa kagandahan mo, or para ba kasing meron lang talaga mga tao na gustong mapahamak ka. Here in this reading. Whoever watched this reading, just follow your intuition. It's okay to walk alone without these people around you. Kasi hindi lahat loyal sa'yo. Especially when it comes to relationship. Kaya nga siguro, ingat ka na, pagod ka na, you don't want to stick around with this relationship or with this friendship or partnership. I'm also getting like sa trabaho, you'd rather to work alone. Mas okay pa na wala itong mga tao sa paligid mo kasi ang gusto lang naman nila i-betray ka nila, masaktan ka nila, ma-offend ka nila. And you know your value. Alam mo kung sino ka. Hindi mo deserve itong mga painful people, painful matters. Itong mga, especially sa business, na betray ka na, or na broken hearted ka na, you have been through a lot. Okay? Alright. So, alamin natin about your business. Kung hindi kayo nakakaroon sa reading na ito, maybe this is not for you. Alright? You guys are very psychic and intuitive here. Alam mo kung sino itong mga fake na mga tao, mga plastic na mga tao. And, again, I'm getting like, tuso ka rin. Yeah, tuso. You know what I mean? Like, smart. Matalino. Do not let these people to harm you. Na masaktan ka, to cheat on you, or ma-scam ka, kasi meron itong na-scam na. And this should be a lesson to learn. Yeah. You don't have to talk to these people again. Unless kung maghihingi sila ng pagpapatawad. Because ikaw naman itong tao na you give forgiveness. Kaya lang minsan nagkakaroon ka talaga ng burden, trauma. Kaya ayaw mo nang balik-balikan pa itong mga taong ito. Okay? So, alamin natin about your business. Alright. Hold on. Spirit Guardians, tell us more about the business. Let's talk about business in this reading. What's all about the business? Alright. Guys, about the business, nadapa ka man, the universe is giving you an opportunity. You are destined. The will is on your favor. It's in your favor na to create this a new beginning, a business. Again, nasabi ko na kanina, ilang business na, ilang negosyo na ba ang nawala sa mga kamay mo. And here, let's talk about the business. The universe is urging you, nadapa ka naman, bumangon ka because you are given a chance to create this new beginning, new business. Isipin mo, ipikit mo ang iyong mga mata, isipin mo, follow your intuition, isipin mo kung aling negosyo ang mag-work sa'yo. Anong talento ang meron ka na pwede mong gamitin sa negosyo, and then use that because you have this opportunity to bring yourself up, na mag-elevate ang iyong business, na mag-elevate ang finances mo because you are destined to be a business person, a businesswoman, a businessman. Wow. Wag mong hayaan na madapa ka na lang palagi. Bumangon ka. Okay? Because you are destined. You are destined to be a businesswoman, a businessman. Yeah. Wow. This is a good message for you here. Okay? So again, anong negosyo ba ang para sa'yo? Na mag-work sa'yo? Wag mong hayaan na ma-discourage ang iyong mindset. Mag-pray ka, ipanalangin mo sa Panginoon. Panginoon, anong negosyo ba ang mag-work para sa akin? Because here, the universe is telling me to tell you, nadapa ka naman ng ilang beses, bumangon ka. We are here for you. We are rooting for you. Hindi lang talaga maiwasan ang mga taong mga bitterness. Ito may mga evil, may mga scammer. But then again, aside from that, kahit na may mga evil, may mga taong gusto ka mapahamak, we are here with you. Mga angels. See? They're on top of you. Watching you. Cheering you up. Bumangon ka. Huwag mo hayaan na, okay, hindi nag-work itong first business ko, ayaw ko na. Or second business ko, ayaw ko na. Bumangon ka because you are destined. See? The will is in your favor. Ikaw ang may kapangyarihan na or you are the driver. You are the driver of your life pattern or life path. You have the life path of business. Magaling ka sa negosyo. Do not let these people to push you down because you can do this. Wow. Kung saan ka magaling, gamitin mo ito sa negosyo. Do not let these people, huwag kayong magnegosyo kung ibang tao ang nagpe-predict sa inyo, kapatid. Dapat ikaw mismo. Find your, follow your intuition. Pray. Because the universe, see, siguro pinapanalangin mo na ito. But then again, pakinggan mo ang iyong sarili. Sa dreams, panaginip, or sa mga signs, because the universe been giving you a signs about your business. You are being guided na maging successful ka, na mas maging successful pa itong mga business mo. Meron naman dito na you are already a business woman or business person. Siguro 3 na yung mga business mo. But then again, it's good what you are doing right now, yung iba sa inyo dito. Kung may mga sadness man, may mga failure, pero bumabangon ka pa rin naman. Magpapakatatag ka pa rin. Like again, magpakatatag ka palagi. Bumangon ka. Chin up. You can do this. You are holding your triumph, your success when it comes to business. You have this business mindset, a business person. Wow. Okay. All right. Spirit guardians. What else more about the business for our pile number, ano ba yan? Sa ating mga viewers ngayon. All about business. Dance. Okay, I'm getting like, maybe it's time for you to open a dance studio. Or something about sa pagsasayaw, disco bar, or a bar, or something about sa beach. Kung malapit kayo sa beach, maybe this is a good idea for you to open a dance bar malapit sa beach. Okay? Wow. And of course, I'm getting like, sumayaw ka rin. It's time to dance off that problems, itong mga problema mo, itong mga trials, itong mga pagsubok. Maybe it's time to cheer up. Sumayaw ka naman kasi lately parang masyado ka ng seryoso, kapatid. No? Parang nagiging, mukha ka ng snubber dito. But then again, shake it off. Sumayaw-sayaw ka naman. Para naman magkaroon ka ng idea, good vibes. Yeah. Okay? Maybe I'm getting like tango. I'm hearing like tango. But again, it's a good business for you to open a bar, a dance floor, malapit sa dagat, or something about na related sa pagsasayaw, a disco bar, or a dance lesson. If you are good at dancing, maybe you should do some dance lesson. Okay? Or dance session. Yeah. Maganda rin ito, no? As an idea na magbigay ng a session for like dancing. Yeah. Okay. Ano ba yan? Kick up your cute heels and move your glorious body. Feel the music and let loose. Sweat your prayers and twirl your intentions. Every cell in your body will rejoice. Exercise is as important to your well-being as healthy eating and processing your stress and emotions. Yeah, see? Like again, yung mga zumba-zumba natin, yung mahilig mag-zumba dyan, or kung hindi ka pa nag-zumba, maybe this is a good chance for you na try to shake it off. Exercise, okay, try mo na mag-exercise kung siguro lately hindi ka na nag-exercise. It's a good diet for you, for your body, for your mindset. You can shake a tail feather alone with friends or with a passionate partner. Dance your gorgeous heart out. So yeah, dancing is a key to release these emotions, itong mga burdens, itong mga betrayal, itong mga bad emotions, bad memories. Kasi pag the more na sumasayaw ka, the more na nare-release itong mga heavy burdens, itong mga puot, itong mga sakit. So and I'm also getting like, the more na sumasayaw ka, it gives you another a good vibe na an idea, nagkakaroon ka pa ng idea, oh gawin ko to, ito ganyan, kasi napapalitan yung vibes mo, no? Nagkakaroon ka ng mga ideas, and nagkakaroon ka ng siguro this is a chance for you na the universe is urging you to dance. Yeah. Dance, 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 kasi masyado ka ng seryoso, and yeah. Okay. What else, Spirit Guide Angels? What else? Tell us more idea for business ng ating mga viewers dito. Ideas more, business, more ideas. Okay. Okay. Give each other space. So prayer is the key. Okay. So maybe, like again, maybe you have a partnership, a business partner. Maybe this is the time for you to give space between you and your partner. Sometimes it's hard to work out our differences when we don't have enough space. So take a step back to create room for authentic conversation. Perhaps you need to consult with a therapist to guide you through the emotional ticket. Or maybe you just need some new tools for healthy communication. Whatever it is, don't try to fix it right now. Give each other space. So again, kung may mga hindi magandang sitwasyon ngayon, you and your partner, when it comes to could be relationship or friendship or business, you know, it's time to give space. Huwag niyong ura-uradahan agad yung conversation because you need space or to cool down. Okay, kailangan mag-cool down muna kayo bago kayo before you try to fix things up. Kasi kung ura-uradahin nyo na yung